tutorial will guide you through logging in, navigating, and logging out of the DQT ODT mobile application for electronic driver logs. To begin, click on the ODT mobile application icon. Then, the click here to enter button on the bottom of the screen. Enter in the driver username and password. And click Sign In. Now set your duty status. This can be done by either clicking on the Hours of Service log icon and going into the duty status option, or by clicking on the duty status icon shortcut up in the upper right-hand corner of the tablet. Now you'll want to select your vehicle when you're ready to drive by clicking on the Select Vehicle option. Select the specific vehicle, the location that you'll be driving. Hit Next, then select the specific vehicle. At this time, if there's a trailer attached to the vehicle, you can also enter in a trailer number or description. Hit Next. At this point, you're ready to go. When the vehicle exceeds 5 miles an hour, your duty status will automatically change from on duty not driving to driving. Once the vehicle has stopped and been stopped for 5 minutes, you will receive a notification asking you if you'd like to change your duty status to on duty not driving. 1 minute later, if you have not already accepted the prompt, your duty status will automatically change to on duty not driving. Inside the Hours of Service log menu, under the driver logs, there's an option to see the log header, to view edit log records, to view the driver log chart, as well as view and accept any unidentified records related to any vehicle that you have been associated with in the last 8 days. To certify records, your driver records, go to the View Edit Log Records section. Click on the Certify icon related to the day that you wish to certify. And agree when prompted. To make an annotation to an event that is a part of your records, simply hold down on that particular event for a 2 count and select the Add Edit Comment. To insert a new event for a missed event, such as forgetting to go off duty for your break or going back on duty after a break, find the event where the status prior to that needs to exist and hold down for a 2 count and choose the Insert New Event option. Select the appropriate event, verify the date and the time that the event occurred, as well as the vehicle and the location, and enter in a comment, and then hit OK. It's important to note that you cannot insert a new event over the top of or related to an existing driving event, nor can you make adjustments to a driving event. Driving events only allow for annotations to be made. To view or claim and assume unidentified records, click on the View Assume Unidentified Records section. Any records that do exist that you wish or that are appropriate to claim, simply for a 2 count, hold down on that particular record and choose the Accept option as it's presented. To log out and go off duty at the end of the day, at the end of your shift, first, from the main menu, be sure to clear yourself from the vehicle by hitting the Clear button. then you can simply come up to the 3 horizontal bars up in the upper left of the menu, and the last option in this option is log out. Select that. You will be presented as you log out with the option of certifying any records that have not been certified, as well as claiming any unidentified records. You do not have to choose those or certify them at this time. You can hit not now. If you are still in an on-duty status prior to logging out, you will also be prompted to choose switch to off-duty. At this point, you would want to say yes if you're logging off for the day and your shift is over. This concludes the tutorial in using the DQ ODTMobile application for driver logs for logging in and out and navigation.